Hello everyone, it's Nellie from Be Planner Happy. Today I am back in my Planner Envy catch-all planner. We're going to be using retro holidays to decorate the February monthly. I haven't done this one on as a plan with me yet, so this will be my first one. This was January, and I really like having this page mainly for when I need to make an appointment or when I'm getting ready to pre-plan or whatever. I like to have like kind of an overview of certain things and when they're happening. So I am going to decorate this one, even though today is already today's the 10th. So, and I want to show y'all, I did the fitness page, and I haven't filled it in yet, but it came out so pretty. I really like it. And I went ahead and I created all of these boxes just to the right sizes and it's in my shop. But I only have the pink one listed. I have a purple and a blue one that I've already made, but I just have to list those. If there's any particular colors you guys want, let me know for those of you that use this planner. Because I don't know, I just like having boxes to cover all of the little lines and things. So I wanted to create some boxes and circles that fit perfectly. And I am going to be doing this week also today. So this is last week's. So y'all can see the kind of the after the pen. Okay, so let's go ahead and do February. And let's move this out of the way. I should have looked for my supplies before starting. Let me go. I think the only thing missing is my scissors. Let me get those real quick. Alright, so the sticker set we're using is the Valentine's Day sticker set here, which I thought was really cute. So, let's see, I'm going to move my plant too. I really liked not putting boxes, but mainly just like writing and then highlighting in whatever color matches. So I'm going to do that again this year. Let's see. Let's start with, I think I want to start with this little corner flower. Just because it's kind of a no-brainer, right? That's like the biggest one. Yeah. So I'm going to start with this one right over here. And I'm going to take it all the way to the corner. And I missed a little bit, but I'm not worried about it. Very cute. So we need something cute up here. We need something here. How about this one? Let's do that one right there. That looks cute. And then I do want to use this XOXO because it is adorable. So maybe, I don't know that I want this here. So maybe I'll cover that with something. How about, since we've got all of this free space here, we put this here. Or do I want to put it up here? I kind of want to put it like right here. I'm just going to go with it. Okay, so let's see, what else do we have in here? I like this. I like the Call Me, Be Mine. Let's use this other one since we've got one there. I'm just going to do it. I'm going to put one over here and not worry about that stuff right there. I mean, should I white it out? I'm just going to leave it. Okay, and then let's put, what do we have? Ooh, love and makeup. I like this. So far, I'm mainly just putting flowers. That looks pretty hanging down, right? I like that. Let's cover this. Where is my thing? Let's cover all of this. Can y'all believe this month is like already almost over? I feel like it just got here. January took forever. And this month is like flying by. Okay. That looks pretty. And then let's do this pretty coffee with the hearts. I'm going to put that one right there. And I do want to put something across the bottom. Let's see. Oh, this is cute. Oh, it doesn't really go, but it's cute, and I'm using it. Unless if I want to put it here. Yeah, let's put it over there. I'm going to cut off the white. Like that. Put that one there. Cute. Okay. I do want to put, let's put a little heart on Valentine's Day. And then, what else? I want something up here. What would look good? Don't really want to use a flower. I guess we could do the gifts. Let's do, or the cupcake. Oh, both cupcakes might look really cute, huh? Let's see. Maybe, maybe not. I think I want to do the gifts. I'll cut off the white so I can put it down a little further without covering the days of the week. Oh. to cut some of this stuff off. Like that. And then over here. So the house is like weirdly quiet today. My husband, he's a federal worker. He was in the Navy for 30 years, retired, and then immediately went to go work for the DOD. And since COVID, he's been working from home. And just this last year, he was able to get his home office all set up. I mean, it took a while, but, you know, one of our kids left. So, you know, we had to wait for that. And then, and now he had to go back to work full time at the office, which really sucks. All right, I'm going to put XOXO and Be Mine up here. So anyway, now the house just feels very weird and empty. All right, well, that's looking very cute. I'm going to put something, a washi across the bottom. Let me see. I thought I'd pick one out. I thought this one was really cute. So I think I'm going to run this one. It kind of has all the same colors straight across here. I think I'm going to cover that notes too. Or just leave it. I don't care. Let's put that there. And I think I'm just going to rip it. And let's rip this one. Like that. And I feel like we need a little bit of this washi someplace else to make it look right. Okay. Let's see. Maybe put a little bit like up here and tear it. Let's see. Or maybe like in the middle. Would that look right? A little higher. You know what I think I'm going to do? I'm just going to do like this. I guess it could go down like that. See how we like that. Oh, this washi's not sticking very well. That looks kind of cute. I like that up there. Just need to trim it off. And then I'm going to add some to the other side too. Okay. Let's add a little bit over here. I think maybe just, let's bring down the Be Mine and put it like right there. And then this one's going to go just like that. And then I'm going to tear it. I'm going to tear it there. That looks cute. I like those little pieces. Let's go this way. All right. I like it. Let's add a couple more things over here. I like this. It looks like cute little file thing. And let's add these. Call me Love. Actually, the love should go above it. Since we've got like red, pink, red. Okay. All right. And then maybe something here. What do I want there? We could do, let's see. Oh my gosh. Let's do the butterfly. Let's see how the butterfly looks. Oh, she looks cute. Okay, I like that. And let's do, I think I'm just going to put these little pins over here. Like that. And let's do this other little moth looking butterfly thing over here. That's so cute. All right. So I think I'm going to go and add what I need to add. And I think it's done. I like it. That was super quick. What was that? Less than 13 minutes. Wow. All right. Well, there we go. So the only thing I'm going to do now is like I did in my January. I mean, I guess I could do it with you guys. What do you think? Do y'all want to do it with me? That's a lot to write now. I'm just going to do it and then I'll take a picture. And if y'all want to see, you know, everything filled in, I'll show you next time. All right. Well, that was it for this video. I will go ahead and start my next one now. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you next time. Bye.